Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your daily life using Notion step by step in 2026, so you can stay organized, productive, and stress-free every single day. Notion is perfect for combining tasks, schedules, goals, and notes in one place. Instead of juggling multiple apps, you can centralize your entire daily routine. Start by creating a new page in Notion and name it something like Daily Life Hub or My Planner. This will be your main dashboard for managing daily activities. Next, create a section for tasks. You can use a table or a to-do list, add columns like task, priority, deadline, and status. This way you'll know exactly what needs attention each day. Add a schedule section for time blocking your day. You can create a simple table or calendar to plan your appointments, meetings, and personal routines. Seeing your day visually helps you manage time effectively. Now, create a notes section for ideas, reminders, or quick thoughts. Use toggle blocks or text blocks to jot down information without cluttering your main dashboard. This keeps everything in one place and easy to review. You can also add a habits section. Track daily habits like exercise, reading, meditation, or learning. A small checklist motivates you to stay consistent and see progress over time. Templates are very useful. Once you set up your daily hub, save it as a template. Every morning, you can open a fresh dashboard with the same structure, saving time, and maintaining consistency. Another great tip is to link tasks to projects or goals. This shows you how each task contributes to bigger objectives, keeping your daily life aligned with long-term plans. Finally, review your daily life dashboard regularly. Mark completed tasks, reflect on accomplishments, and adjust your routines for the next day. This habit ensures your system stays relevant and productive. And that's how to manage your daily life using Notion step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Notion tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.